Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua, salam sehat. Jumpa lagi dengan saya Muhammad Riza pada program online English Course LKP Bina Jaya yang didukung sepenuhnya oleh Kemendikbudristek Republik Indonesia dan Siamolek. Baik, kita akan melanjutkan pembelajaran kita masih pada topik speaking. Kali ini kita akan membahas topik tentang masa lampau sebetulnya. Fokusnya di sana ya, bagaimana we are talking with someone about past activities. Ya, tentang kegiatan di masa yang sudah lalu ya. Bagaimana caranya. Nah, ini ada topiknya yang agak spesial untuk memulai percakapannya ya. Let's continue, kita lanjutkan. Take for example, ambil contoh, we can use the topic of last weekend. Weekend yang sudah lewat ya, weekend yang terakhir, last weekend. So you can repeat after me. Kita langsung ke contoh penggunaannya. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? It was great. How was yours? Nah, ini menanyakan bagaimana weekendmu? It was great. Hampir sama seperti menyapa apa kabar ya, tapi kabar tentang weekendnya. It was great. How was yours? Bagaimana dengan Anda? Nah, perhatikan di situ, karena kita sudah belajar grammar ya, kita menggunakan was. Ya, was ini menunjukkan masa lampau. Ya, it was great. How was yours? Bagaimana dengan weekendmu? Yours di situ weekendmu ya. Bagaimana dengan weekend Anda? Once again, how was your weekend? It was great. How was yours? Nah, tentu dijawab sesuai dengan kondisi. Next, another example ya. You can repeat. What did you do? Last weekendnya dalam kurung, itu maksudnya bisa dipakai bisa tidak ya. What did you do last weekend? Boleh. Kalau sudah artinya kelanjutan dari yang sebelumnya tadi, how was your weekend? It was great. How was yours? It was fine. Nah, ini bisa kita lanjutkan dengan ini. What did you do? Maksudnya di weekendnya. What did you do? I went to the beach with my family. I went to the beach with my family. Did you swim on the beach? Did you swim on the beach? Apakah kamu berenang di pantai? Did you swim on the beach? No, I didn't, but my brother did. No, I didn't, but my brother did. Saya tidak, tapi saudara laki-laki saya berenang, did, ya, melakukan. How about you? How was yours? Gimana kamu? Gimana? Oh, I just stayed at home and studied. Oh, saya tinggal di rumah saja dan belajar ya. Right, you can repeat after me. What did you do? I went to the beach with my family. I went to the beach with my family. Did you swim on the beach? No, I didn't, but my brother did. How about you? How was yours? I just stayed at home and studied. I just stayed at home and studied. Right, Yeah, that's the example. You can study and repeat by yourself. Next, another example. Did you do anything special on your weekend? Nah, kita juga bisa gunakan pertanyaan ini ya. Did you do anything special on your weekend? Apakah melakukan yang spesial di weekendnya? Did you do anything special on your weekend? Nah, di sini tidak ada last weekend karena sudah menggunakan did. Ya, artinya udah paham itu did masa lampau ya. Bisa juga seperti itu. Tapi kalau mau pakai last boleh. Did you do anything special on your last weekend? Ya, lebih jelas lagi tentunya. The answer, nah, ini contoh ya. Jadi tidak mesti seperti ini jawabannya. No, nothing special. I just slept all day. No, nothing special. I just slept all day. Oh, tidak ada yang spesial, saya tidur sepanjang hari. I just slept all day. Alright. Okay, so the topic of last weekend kita bisa gunakan untuk membicarakan tentang kegiatan di masa lampau. Ya, okay, sekalian praktis latihan past tense ya, penggunaan past tense, past simple. Okay, here some questions. I hope you later you answer ya. Okay, jadi ini tidak mesti spontan jawabnya, tapi videonya bisa diulang, bahkan bisa digunakan kertas untuk menjawabnya terus diucapkan. Ya, ini hanya guidance-nya saja kalau yang ini. Let's practice ini. Oke, apa itu? Say here, what are some things you usually do in the morning? What are some things you usually do in the morning? Nah, kalau ini present yang ditanya. Biasanya ngapain? Ya, what are some things? Apa hal-hal yang biasanya kamu lakukan di pagi hari, in the morning. Okay, you can write down and then you say, I usually what? I usually have breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. Some ya, beberapa. Okay, now the second questions or the next questions, what are some things you did yesterday? What are something you did yesterday? Atau what are some things you did this morning, pagi tadi. Nah, ini sudah lewat. Ya, kita tentu menjawabnya menggunakan past tense ya, past simple. Kata kerja kedua, to be-nya was and were. Bedakannya, oke, silakan dijawab, ditulis dulu nanti terus dikatakan. Oke, let's continue. Kalau sudah lancar nanti bisa diulang video ini terus dijawab. Tapi dijawab sendiri. Say, I give example ya. What are some things you usually do in the morning? Well, I usually have breakfast in the morning, and then I usually take a bath, and I study for a moment. I usually study for a moment before I go to school. I call my friends. Oh, many other things. Ya, itu contoh ya, spontan. Yang berikutnya, what are some things you did yesterday? Apa yang beberapa yang dilakukan kemarin? Oh, harus mikir nih, tapi kalau udah ditulis dulu kan lebih cepat. Tapi ini spontan bisa. What are some things you did yesterday? Well, yesterday kan mengingat dulu. Yesterday I went to school. And then yesterday also I met my friends. And also I went to market. I bought what ya? I bought some fruit, orange. Okay, ya, spontan seperti itu, that's good. Tapi kalau belum bisa begitu, tulis dulu, and then you say it. Terus gunakan pertanyaan ini. Okay, you get my point, paham ya? Baik, kita lanjutkan ke let's practice. What do you usually do in the evening? What do you usually do in the evening? Nah, ini pertanyaan yang biasa kita lakukan ya, okay, present tense bukan past tense topiknya. Okay, so you can answer apa yang biasa dilakukan di malam hari. Then what did you do last night? Nah, ini masa lampau. What did you do last night? Okay, next. What do you usually do in the class? What do you usually do in the class? Okay, so you can answer. You can write down first, yeah, some activities you usually do in the class. Okay, the other questions about the past atau masa lampau. What did you do in the class yesterday? What did you do in the class yesterday? Okay, so you can answer that. Remember, use verb to ya, okay. Konteksnya masa lampau, ini past tense. Okay, what did you do in the class yesterday? Okay, another questions. What do you usually do after class? What do you usually do after class? Setelah kelas biasanya ngapain ya? Setelah belajar maksudnya. What do you usually do after class? Next, what did you do after class yesterday? What did you do after class yesterday? Okay, you can think, you can write down, and you can answer. Okay, itu jadi caranya videonya diulang, terus you can answer the questions. Ya, okay. What do you usually do after class? And what did you do after class yesterday? Right. Okay. Next, still about the past. Ya. What did you do 2 days ago? What did you do 2 days ago? 2 hari yang lalu. What did you do? The other questions. What did you do last week? Okay, we just changed the time. Ya. What did you do last week? 1 minggu yang lalu. What did you do last year? What did you do last year? 1 tahun yang lalu. Okay. Now, take out a piece of paper. Ambil selembar kertas atau buku ya. So, write what you did yesterday. Write what you did yesterday. Write as fast as you can. Ya, okay. Ini part of practice ya. Jadi, tuliskan in English, of course ya. Okay. What you did yesterday. Apa yang dilakukan kemarin? Tuliskan cepat. Okay. Write as fast as you can. Okay. And then the spelling, ejaannya diabaikan dulu. Nanti setelah dilihat, oh ini ada yang salah, dibetulkan, baru dibaca keras. Sambil baca boleh. Setelah itu teksnya ditutup, tinggal dihafalkan. What did you do yesterday? Well, yesterday I went to work, I met my friends, I bought books, for example. I called my brother. Ya, yang usahakan juga yang real ya, yang terjadi, what you did yesterday, yang dilakukan kemarin. Well, okay, so that's all about this lesson, the topic of talking about last weekend, but in general we are talking about past activities. Tapi di dalam prakteknya tadi dikombinasi juga dengan routines ya, kegiatan rutin sehari-hari. What do you usually do after class? Itu tadi contohnya seperti itu. Oke, silakan praktis by all means dengan segala cara ya, kayak by listening, reading, writing, speaking. Gunakan semua cara, and do not be afraid of making mistake. Jangan takut dalam membuat kesalahan. Oke, tidak ada yang tiba-tiba langsung perfect, sempurna, betul semua, enggak. Tapi dilakukan dengan tekun, step by step, terus dilakukan sampai insya Allah sampai lancar ya. Oke, asal dilakukan. Well, okay, thank you very much. See you on different topics ya. Okay, still on speaking. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.